I like these RSXs, man. These RSXs are pretty nice.
Yeah, I like especially the 05 and 06.
Yeah, the Z1's got the power, dude. I mean, they should have came with that first.
Yeah, can't go wrong with the K20Z1.
Like a little bit more time to start screaming even more, like,
yeah,
pretty good.
You can really hear the VTEC engage when it's that low though too.
Yeah.
Like when you're like at 6,000, you can hear when it transfers over.
It pops.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long have you had this car for?
I've had it for about, I think, almost a year now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I bought it completely stock. I had to redo the whole suspension. My next thing is to get innovative motor mounts because can't be with the stock motor mounts with full bolt-ons.
Yeah, after a while you can feel it. Once you stiffen it up, I mean, I'm pretty sure. I had one that was full buddy club, everything, like every single thing, and like as soon as the car was really, really stiff, that's when you really felt the car, like, you know, like everything. So yeah, the motor mounts, everything, all that really makes a big difference and stuff, especially on these RSXs.
Yeah, and I want to do Brembo, the TL Type S conversion.
Oh, that's with the dual piston in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just leave the back.
And it bolts straight up?
Kind of, sort of. I think you have to get like special little like 5mm spacers and put them inside the hub.
Okay.
Inside the rotor to make it
pop
out
to actually,
yeah,
to clear it. Okay, that makes sense. That's good to know because, I mean, some people want to know how to do that conversion as well.
Yeah, well, pretty much you can find everything on YouTube. That's how I found out about it. Yeah.
Yeah. That'll be it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys later.